Be strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at some action figure unboxing and reviews of the Elite Force Navy SEALs fire team, the OurWar World War II German Warmock submachine gunner, the Call of Duty Ghost Lieutenant Simon Riley, and an action figure that I picked up secondhand at our local vintage stock. So first up, we're going to go with the Elite Force Navy SEALs. I like these models. I like pretty much all of what Elite Force has done. They're very cool. They're very good quality. They look amazing. And they're very, very affordable. You know, don't get me wrong, there are some great ones by Joy Toy and others. But these are very, very affordable. $20 for this whole box set. I have two others in the Elite Force Modern Warfare series. The Marine Fire Team and the Rangers Fire Team. I've already opened them up already. I've had them for a couple years now. This one I saved to do an unboxing on in the hopes of having a channel one day, and now that I've got it, here it is. Anyway, I don't necessarily do a lot of action figure stuff, but what I do is I like to take what I call combat photography, and that's where I set my action figures up outside somewhere and have photos of them in combat poses, or just, you know, in a combat environment, so to speak, looking like soldiers do. And of course I do the same thing with my plastic army men and some of my war game models, like some of my 40K models, which is also another reason I've started 3D printing 40K, is so I can print them bigger and have larger scale figures. So first up is this SEAL jumper. He looks freaking awesome. You can see him here. I'll get the camera focused in for him. He has some really cool equipment. And you know, this is one of those action figures that I don't want to touch. As far as customization goes, I think he is awesome the way he is. In fact, that pretty much goes for all of the Elite Force action figures. They are really, really cool. Now, one thing I think would be neat is if you could take this piece off, but you know what? For the price, I'm not going to complain. I like it. And these are well articulated figures, you know, and they're painted. They're painted well. There's very little makeup or touch up you need to do. Ooh, check that out. Check out his comm set. That's really cool. Sidearm holstered up. Very nice models. Excellent models. Look at the detail on the rounds on his mole vest. Oops. Very nice figure. So soon I will have these out and about in the field doing some combat exercises, so I can take some toy photography of them. And I'll post pictures of those on my Instagram, which the links is in the channel profile, as well as probably in future videos. I may even, I've been tempted with the idea of doing some stop action as well. Here's a squad automatic weapon. cool helmet, visors, and night vision. Has his microphone. M4 with M203 grenade launcher. Very cool weapon. Another helmet. And one more. Sniper rifle. Another squad weapon. And of course, these came with stands. Floppy hat. Another sniper rifle. And lastly, another floppy hat. Very cool models. I really like Action Force, or excuse me, Elite Force. They are high quality, very affordable. Alright, next up, let's go with the second-hand model that we picked up from vintage stock. I'll focus in on that hammer. There we go. Alright, next up, or excuse me, back to the action figure. I assume he holds his hammer in his right hand. This is a cool model. He's a little taller than my other action figures. I was going to say I don't think he's a 6-inch model, but I guess he is. No, he's just over 5 inches tall. When I put him on our little green board, sorry you couldn't see that. Well articulated. He'll make some nice photographs, or stop action if and when I decide to do that. Next up, OurWar World War II German Warmock submachine gunner. I think in the future, I'm not going to open these packages up on video. I'm going to do that prior to the video, prior to filming. I think this is probably a little annoying as far as the noise goes, but I wanted to be able to show what was in the package. Oh, he's got a cool little stand that he came with. I didn't notice that. 2 potato smasher grenades. Have those out. And of course his submachine gun. I like World War II. My father served in the American Army in World War II, and I've been in love with it ever since I found that out as a kid. Let's get a zoom in on this submachine gun here. Potato smasher. And our figure. This helmet seems, I don't know if you noticed that or not, but his helmet is not made very well. One side's lower than the other. Oh, it comes off. Okay, let's take a look. Looks a little wonky. Kind of beat up right there. Got some nice decals on it. It's a good touch. His gear seems, some of it's loose there. That's nice. But it'll get the point across. I plan on doing some dabbling in some stop, as I said earlier, some stop motion videos. So World War II will be one of the themes. This soldier cost me $9 on Amazon. I'm satisfied with it. I don't think it's the same quality as the Elite Force, but you know, he's not bad. All right. Finally, the Call of Duty Ghost Lieutenant Simon Riley. Call of Duty Ghost Lieutenant Simon Riley. We've got him unboxed. There was quite a few layers of protection in that box. He's well articulated. Love that face mask. It even looks like fabric. Here's his rifle. He's got some awesome gear. Inflatable vest. He even had the dials on his watch, or maybe divers. Nice flag patch. You know, like a diver's altimeter or whatever. Tells them how deep they are. His water pack. I don't think I've ever seen a subdued British flag patch like that. That's kind of neat. He's a very good figure. I think I'll have some excellent poses out of him. Not a lot of movement in the feet though. Up and down anyway. They do twist side to side. His wrist moves. Arms are not. Let's see. No, it looks like that arm is not going to extend out like I was hoping it would. Maybe I need to turn him a different way. No, he's just not going to do it. So, there'll be some limited poses with this figure, since that arm does not open out this way any. Oh, wait a minute. There it goes. I apologize, my mistake. I just didn't put enough pressure on it. So the arm does indeed open up. Okay. I was staying corrected. That's cool. I like that. That'll give me some good poses. Very nice. So here we go. Call of Duty Ghost Lieutenant Simon Riley, obviously of the Royal Army. And as a recap, Lieutenant Riley, our OurWar Warmock soldier, German soldier. Our vintage stock thrift store find. And our Elite Force Navy SEAL fire team. With many, many accessories to go with them. Very nice models. Water pack. For both collectors and hobbyists. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you were thinking about picking any of these sets up, you can find them on Amazon. I'll post a link for them in the description below, at least for the Elite Force and perhaps the Call of Duty and the Warmock guy. I'm not sure if those are still available. I know the Elite Force is because I've seen that recently. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and if you can, please just drop me a simple like. Subscribe for more plastic soldiers. Thank you. Have a good day.